Setting up a QR code-based scavenger hunt in Uniqode might seem simple at first, but there are a few key things you need to know before you dive in, especially if you want a seamless experience for participants. Stick around because I'll not only walk you through the setup process, but also break down whether Uniqode is actually the best tool for the job, or if you're better off using an alternative. First, Uniqode lets you generate dynamic QR codes that can link to different types of content. For a scavenger hunt, you'll be using location-based clues or interactive tasks linked to QR codes. Once you log in, head to the dashboard and create a new campaign. Select Dynamic QR Code so you can edit the destination later if needed. Next thing, choose what type of content your QR codes will direct users to: text clues, images, videos, or even a form for participants to submit answers. If you're using web pages, you can create a series of landing pages that guide players from one clue to the next. The third thing is customization. Uniqode allows you to tweak your QR codes with branding, changing colors, adding logos, and choosing different patterns. This is great for making them visually engaging, but keep in mind that excessive design elements can sometimes make them harder to scan. The fourth thing is tracking. Unicode's analytics let you see how often each QR code is scanned and where, which is helpful for monitoring engagement. However, there's a catch. Unicode's tracking features are more geared towards marketing campaigns than scavenger hunts, so if you need real-time leaderboard tracking or automated progress tracking, you might run into limitations. And now, the final thing, sharing and testing. Once your QR codes are set up, distribute them at various hunt locations or within a digital guide. Make sure to test each one to ensure it directs players correctly. Some users have reported occasional issues with Unicode's redirections being slow, so it's worth double-checking before launch. So, is Uniqode the best choice for a QR code-based scavenger hunt? It works, but it's not specifically designed for gamified experiences. If you need real-time progress tracking, team-based competition, or built-in leaderboards, there are better options out there. That's why we've included an exclusive and extended free trial to a more feature-rich alternative in the description. But if you still want to try Uniqode, you'll also get an extended free trial through our link. Check it out and start setting up your scavenger hunt the right way.